So let's just check out, so how does actually, I played a few songs, so if you want to listen later. So I played this already on a nylon string guitar. So now let's check how does that sound on a steel string guitar. Here Comes the Sun. Okay, the other song where it's kind of gives you a good example, finger picking style, right? So Norwegian Wood from the Beatles. Okay, let's play the beginning of Stay With You Heaven. Okay, so get a good sensation for. Well, it's enough. So again, I mean, still, this is a basic sound, right? So if I start to dial in a little bit more reverb and more things, no, focus on the song properly, so that will be amazing. This guitar sounds absolutely amazing. I can't tell in words, so I'm super excited. Still, I need a couple of weeks, I guess, to get my chops really ready for the steel string guitar. Still in the beginning, in the first days, I mean, the fingertips really hurt, right? So in the moment also I'm playing different strings. In the moment I'm playing 10, extra light, and the action is a little bit high. All these things will happen, and I will see how that will actually affect my playing, affect the sound. So I noticed definitely if you have 12s on, they sound so much better, right? But it was too hard to play for the beginning. So when I used to probably go to 11, it makes the action a bit lower. So that should work. That should work perfectly for my situation. Okay. So I will practice a little bit more. So and then songs coming out, I play properly, create some own songs, and yes, super excited about. FX5 from Yamaha is absolute the king for me in the moment. Probably found a queen at some point. Okay, just wait.